This is the Tenacity of Nature. Wrong way. There we go. So you can see that one. If you look at it from over here, it's a little easier to see. See that? That was standing up here. That is the other half of this one, which took out that one. On its way down, it took out that one, and you should have seen it when it was all green. Because when it was all green, it was this giant ball of green. Now it's a giant ball of brown with one little bit of green starting up inside. And D Block, D Block's TP was here, which became D Block's pyramid. One of the members broke, and so it was D Block's pyramid and Moss Park. Um, I'm sure Moss Park is still down there somewhere.